We have designed a chatbot named Agriassis, which actually guides the farmers. Now let's get to know the significance of Agriassis. Firstly, one may ask, why Agriassis? It solves one of the major problems in a society that's nothing but people suffer from food shortages even in this corona pandemic. Farmers aren't able to meet all the needs of the people. The insufficient food production leads to starvation and many deaths. Farmers aren't able to harvest their inputs due to failure of crops, inability to predict the climatic conditions in advance, deprivation of technical guidance, and then the prevalence of disguised laborers.
How Agriassis solves this problem? The roots of all the discomfort and the discontent is because of the lack of advice and the lack of guidance. So, these traditional methods yieldings are also very less. Nowadays, due to this global warming and unexpected weather conditions, and predicting these weather conditions is very tough nowadays too. So, bringing our Agriassis assistant, it helps the farmers in a better way and giving the production in a best way.
Prominent features. Our Agriassis chatbot is integrated with the Google Assistant, so it is easily available and accessible, since it is available in any of the Android mobile. So, you must be wondering how our Agriassis can be accessed in any mobile which contains Google Assistant. It is actually because of the Google's natural language understanding platform named TELUGU. It is used to design and integrate a conversational user interface. Google bought this company in September 2016, and now it provides tools for developers for Google's virtual assistant, now known as Google Assistant.
So in this platform, we have a feature called Intents, where we have to provide the training phrases and the responses, and the user might give a question and Agriassis will be able to extract the keyword from the training phrases. We have provided invoking phrases, and to add other features like hyperlinks, we have given carousel cards and browse carousel cards. Our Agriassis has a feature called Small Talk, which talks with the farmer casually in their mood out times.
Let's get to know how the 5 big ideas come to be. The first one is perception. Our Agriassis chatbot perceives data using microphone as a sensory input. It converts the high-level language into binary codes, understands them, and replies back in our own natural language. The second one is comprehension. It collects data from different farmers, understands them, compares it, and uses them for reasoning. It gains experience through machine learning. The next one is learning. It makes a sort of a pie chart or a graph from the responses, analyzes it with our given data through deep learning. The next one is natural interaction. It uses one of the very important key aspects, that's nothing but natural language processing. It uses it to interact with the farmers comfortably and understand the farmer's language. The last one is nothing but impact of AI. AI ethics. With implementation of our Agriassis, the sudden rainfall of crops will be minimized. So, the sales price of the crops becomes standard or stable. The wastage of crops will also be minimized. Speaking furthermore, since our chatbot provides the favorable days to sow the crops, it also increases the production of food grains. Since it provides only advice, there will be no job opportunities lost except the disguised laborers, as they don't add productivity to the field.
Hey Google, talk to Farmer Friend Agriassis.
Good day. My name is Agriassis. AI Techies team developed me to help farmers. By the way, what can I do for you today? To convey this message in different language, click on the languages below.
Convey this message in Hindi.
Acha din. Mera naam Agriassis hai. Kisan, madad karan ke lai. I Techies team ne mujhe vikashit kiya. Phase, aaj main apake lai kya, kar sakata hun.
How much water does fruit crops need per day for an acre?
Yeah, sure. For fruit crops you will need 63 millimeters of standing water. What else do you want to know about?
Tell me about October crops.
In the month of October, the best day to sow crops is 10th and 29th of Jan. Do you want to know which type of crop can be sown in which date?
Yeah, sure.
Which type of crop would you like to know about? Available varieties are seed crops, root and tubers crops, flower crops and leafy crops.
I would like to know about roots and tubers crops.
Sure. Roots and tuber crops can be sown in the dates of October likewise, 6, 7, 15, 23 and 24. What else do you want to know?
Tell me about some of the good bugs, please.
The bugs which can help you or which do not harm crops during plantation are ladybugs, fly predators, melanas, predatory mites, trichogramma, nematodes and aureus. What else do you want to know about?
Marketing facilities.
Do you want to register your crops in my database to tell correct crops to sell? Or you want just to know the general crops to sell?
General cost for crops.
Okay, super. I will help you with it. Find the prices below. What else do you want to know about?
Tell me about the storage facilities.
Great. So to show the availability of storage in your area, I want to access your location. Thanks for giving me access. I am searching for best locations for you. Find it below. Do you want to know anything more?
I don't know about the government schemes. Can you tell me some of them?
Don't worry, I will tell you some of the schemes. Click on each scheme to know more.
So when clicking on the card, it will redirect the site. This is a carousel card.
So our chatbot is user-friendly as we have received an acknowledgement from Google developers who reviewed our chatbot and certified that our chatbot is user-friendly. It also provides assistance for marketing the produce in nearby places, and it will also let them know about the available storage facilities around them. Our Agriassis will also let the farmers know about the useful schemes allotted by our government for the welfare. We are also preparing an effective database for reducing the wastage of produce. We offer a Google Forms where the farmer would submit their type of produce and personal data so as to advise the farmers in future to sow and grow according to the need and demands. It can also run in Telegram app. And for the user convenience of the farmer, even if the network is not available for the farmers, we have actually a phone number for which if they call the farmers, our Agriassis chatbot will reply.
Survey was taken from a farmer as what is the most hardest situation in farming. It was found that one of the very hardest situation is when harvests go for a least price after a tedious hard work. It leads to melancholy. So, in order to balance the demands and production, our Agriassis conducts the survey from users, that is farmers, about what crops they have grown, so that from the responses it forms a pie chart and other farmers could analyze the already grown crops and can grow different crop so that production doesn't exceed the demands. Our chatbot is also used by many users and farmers, so it has been implemented and had anticipated a positive outcome.
Yes, in the course of time, when we show the doubtful crops, pest, insect, the chatbot will identify and provide information about it. It will also provide weather report and forecast. It will also communicate with the farmer comfortably in their own local languages.